Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can download and install iTunes on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. Now to download iTunes, just open your browser and search for iTunes for Windows 11. Here you will find a link from support.apple.com. Just open this link. Don't worry about the download link. You will get the link in the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download iTunes. Now here we have two different options for Windows. One is iTunes for Windows 32-bit and another one is iTunes for Windows 64-bit. For Windows 11, you have to download the 64-bit version of iTunes. To download, simply click on this download option. And here you can see it is downloading. It is around 192 MB. So let me complete the download process, and after that I'll show you how you can install and set up iTunes on Windows 11. Our download has been completed. Now to install iTunes, simply open this installer file. Here we have the setup window. Let me minimize the browser. And here you can see welcome to iTunes. Now to install, simply click on next. And here we have some installation option. If you want to add iTunes shortcut to your desktop, or if you want to set iTunes as a default audio player, then you can check this box. And here we have language option. If you want to change your language, then from the drop down menu you can select your language. And here we have the destination folder where iTunes is going to install. If you have a good reason to change this location, then you can change by clicking on this change button. For now I'm just going to keep it default, then click on install. Here you can see it is installing, so it will take some time to install. Wait until the installation process complete. Here you can see iTunes has been successfully installed on our Windows 11 computer. If you want to open iTunes, then simply check this box, then click on finish. For now I'm just going to uncheck this box, then click on finish. Here we have the shortcut icon or the launch icon for desktop. From here you can launch iTunes. If you don't get this option here, then you can simply search for iTunes on this search option. Here we have the iTunes application. Now to open, simply click on this open option. When you open iTunes for the first time, you have to accept the license agreement. Simply read this license agreement, then click on agree. So this is the interface of iTunes, and here we have the welcome screen. Now to use iTunes, you have to accept some license agreement. To accept the license agreement, simply click on agree, and here we have two options. Go to iTunes store, or you can simply sign in to your iTunes store. So if you have a Apple account, then you can simply click on sign in to iTunes store, or else you can simply click on go to iTunes store. And here you can see welcome to iTunes store. Now simply click on continue, and you are all set to use iTunes on Windows 11. So this way you can download and install iTunes on Windows 11. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.